Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome. It's nice to have you back. So guys, over the weekend we've been working on different dresses. Here are two dresses I designed for one occasion, guys. So guys, if you want to see how I was able to design these two dresses, please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, help us to achieve our goal of 1,000 subscribers, guys. So guys, here is my corset cup pattern, my corset pattern. Here I was just going to be cutting my lining to proceed, and here I placed the both of them in different bags, in different ziploc, guys, in order to avoid being mixed up and all. So guys, that's that. You can see they're all pretty set. And at the back I also wrote the names of my clients to know which I'm working with. So here are my two cups. Here the inside, you can see I stitched 1/8 around it, and at the edge I also stitched 3/8 in to secure it properly. And here is my cup size. I use size 44 here, I guess, guys. So here I will just be placing them 44 facing 44, placing it that way. It gives me a nice cup size, a nice fitting on my client. And here guys, this is my lining. I also placed the lining on the cup, and I secured it properly before cutting off the excess on the lining. So guys, this is what our corset dress top looks like, and this is before giving it a hot press. So guys, I will just give this a hot press, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. You can see my center back, my center front, my cup is looking nice. And also I'll be showing you guys what the inside looks like. This is the inside, my boning, my cup. You can see everything is looking nice generally. So here I just did my slash and spread technique, counting it, make sure you count it accurately and it's complete. And I'm going to be placing this on my skirt. Here I just folded it. You can see where I folded the slashed area to give it those layers that I need, guys. So you're going to be counting this. I'm going to be counting this. If you're doing this technique, make sure you count it and make sure you label your pattern. So guys, here is the finished work of what it looks like. I stitched my yoke to it, and this is the inside finished work, guys. You can see it's looking neat and nice. Here is the closure for the center back, guys. I pretty have forgotten what it's called. It has a name, but I've forgotten, guys. So if you remember, just leave a comment down below. I will be placing this. You can see I stitched this round. I will be placing this at the center back. It's the corset closure. Instead of taking the zip up to the back, you just use this. So I'll be closing the zip area. I will also place this nicely in. I'll be securing this. I'll show you guys what it looks like in part 2, guys. So this is what it will look like generally, but before then I'll be using my eyelet plier. This is the heavy duty eyelet plier, and I have a bunch of eyelets, silver eyelets and the gold eyelets. The little piece came with it. That's what I'll be placing at the center back, giving it a nice look, guys. So generally, guys, you can see what the inside looks like. You can see it's looking neat, and it's a good finishing, guys. So here I will just finish the center front area where I placed my piece. I will just place this little piece on the center front, but before then I will have to cut it out nicely to give it that trimmings, just to get the trimmings out of the lace, guys. So guys, after cutting this, I'll just be placing it one after the other just to give it a nice look at the front. But before then, I noticed the edges were so rough and I had to just come up with what to do here. So I'll be trimming this off. I'll trim off all the excess, the rough edges around it. So I'll be doing this round, guys. So guys, this is what it looks like, and I'll be doing the rest of them like this. You can see the difference. You can see the edges are rough here, so I'll cut this round also. I guess I need about 7 or 8 of these circle pieces that I'll be trimming round, guys. Guys, this is what they look like. They all look neat and trimmed around. If you're new to this channel and you like what we do here, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Support us to achieve our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. And guys, here I will just use my appliques. I got some beautiful appliques. I'll be working on the first dress using white appliques, and the second dress I'll be using gold appliques, gold and white. And the first dress will also have silver appliques on it, white and silver appliques. Then this one is just to, add more efficacy to it, guys. So it has a little bit of green on it, so that is what brought the attraction, and the white actually, guys. So I'm going to be using these trimmings to generally design this dress, guys. For the gold applique, I guess I love the stone, the detailing on it. It's nice and it's also dazzling. So let's proceed. Here I will just place my white applique on this. The white is also dazzling, and I will place some part of the silver on it. I'm just going to be designing this before gluing it on the dress, guys. Guys, here you can see the similarities between the gold and the silver and the white. I'm going to be adding this to it. I actually thought I was going to design this first one with the gold, but I later realized that, I'm supposed to be designing it with the silver. Thank God I quickly realized. So I will just cut this in beads. So guys, I will just place all of these together, one after the other. Then, I will use my UHU to glue this round. So let's keep it rolling, guys. So guys, generally it's taking shape, it's looking fuller and fuller, and I'll keep adding more appliques to it just to achieve what I actually want. And that's that, guys. I'm so excited about this work. So guys, subscribe to our channel. If you're new to this channel, please support us, guys. So guys, this is full enough, and I think generally this is okay. So guys, this brings us to an end of this video. Watch out for part 2, guys. Bye bye.